Hello, my people. Welcome to the Great Asnet channel. Today we are eating the duck guy. Yes. To those who have been supporting me and those who always come back to support me, thank you for your support. And those who are new to the Great Asnet channel, please welcome and please consider subscribing. Support me, help me grow on YouTube. Remember, I am because you are. Your support through subscription, views, likes, and comments will go a long way. Thank you. Welcome to today's vlog. It is cooking time from my simple village kitchen. So you are all welcome. Let's cook together a wonderful meal. All right, today I will take you through the procedures on how to prepare duck meal here in the village. Yes, the procedure at the beginning, it's almost similar to the chicken preparation procedures. Yes, there's no different. The only different will come later, and follow me to see which different is that. For those who don't know, chicken has one layer of feathers, but duck has three layers of feathers. So it needs to be in hot water for some time for you to remove those feathers. Chicken feathers are easy to remove once you dip them in hot water, but duck feathers are hard to remove. Even if you dip them in hot water, it has to stay there for some time as you continue removing them. Yes, just like the chicken, after removing your feathers, yes, you have to place your duck or chicken on the fire, yes, to burn the remaining feathers to ensure it is completely clean. Mm. Another thing, ducks have strong smell. Even their eggs have strong smell. Some people eat ducks, some people don't eat it, and some even don't touch their eggs because of that smell. Yes. Now, I want to show you on how to remove this smell on the duck meat. Aha. For you to remove this strong smell on duck meat, you're supposed to heat it the way we are doing, yes, to burn the way we are doing it for some time, yes. Then after this, you're going to split it in the middle. You remove the intestine, you remove everything inside, every dirty inside. Then you bring it back to burn, just like this. You burn it, you let that water drain, that water to drain. That water is the one that makes that meat have that smell, strong smell. So when that water drains and you let it dry, then it will be all right without the smell. Burning all the feathers, yes, you split your duck and then continue roasting it. Then let it drain until the next day. Now, you don't cook it immediately after slaughtering. No, you let it drain. That way, it will keep the smell completely out. Yes, and that is how we do it here in the village. Now it is our day 2. Then it is time to prepare our duck for eating. Yes, you just slice your duck into desired slices. It doesn't matter. It depends with your family number or the kind of family you have. Like we are a big family, in the village, we always have big families. So that is why you have to put your slices very, very, very little so that everyone can have a share of their own. Village life. After slicing, you clean your duck meat, then you place it on a fire. These chickens are not giving me peace here. They also want to eat the duck. As you can see, we are going to use our sawdust stove to cook this duck. After some hours, our duck is cooked. You can see for yourself. After frying and adding all those spices and water, now we will let it boil for some few minutes. Here, our mchuzi mix is ready to serve. So, see you on the high table. Hello guys, welcome to our high table. We are there with our meal ready to dish. As I told you, we are many. Yes, you can see from these plates, we are many. And these are not all. Some of them already carrying their plates on their hands. Because you can see our high table is very small. So it is time to eat. Welcome. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Those who always come to support me, thank you so much. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. To all new viewers, welcome to this vlog. Welcome to the Great Asnet channel. And please keep on watching and see you next video. Bye from the village side.
Nani anataka addition?
Happy people. Happy people.
Who wants more?
People. Can I give you more?
That's a Clarence. Clarence, you need more? More? Clarence. You need more, Clarence? More? More?
More? You need more nyama? You need more kuku?
Yes.
More butter?
Wow.
Hey.
Mbabede nondeke.
Wow, bandu barakuniera. Bandu barakuniera madari. Hey. Wariza batoshe dada.
What? Baga jolly.
Kunyo supu. Kandi mati areti hakuna rufe. Kumarani. Mwari mbeki msubu. Mdipu msubu. Mwari mweke kwa supu. Jojo pia analilia hivyo.
As you have seen, we really enjoyed this meal. Everyone was happy, even the small kids. They really liked it. And they just wanted to eat more and more and more and more. Ooh, what a wonderful meal together with my family. See you. Bye. The remaining food is for Jasper. If you remember, Jasper is our pig here. Now, all this belongs to Jasper. He will really enjoy also.